We what is today? Yes, this is Saturday. And right now as you can see my current video has been posted like a while ago. We wrap up only the Sophie. So as you can see my subs are going down because my cringe videos. That's right. Long cringe videos, long tail video or image. Yeah. At least mauwan naman video ko na yun na. Bukas! Pwede rin na maka-One Piece. Di ka man JB. Wala naman dito Baguio na 1 week naman. Ha 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 ha. So am I going to do this on the video came out on weekends? That's last week and 48 video came out on weekend. Oh no, why do I look at my episodes? Kami clear face naman sa my album. Ha 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 ha. Last weekend is the 48 because I came to San Antonio. Saturday, video okay. Morning until the evening comes in. By morning, mga 20 minutes. Then at the evening, mga 2 hours naman lagi. Nano ito. Pag Sunday. Wait, it's Sunday. So Saturday doesn't know. Saturday doesn't have a video. Yes, let's do this one. Ha 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 ha. Sunday logo sa Sunday 20 minutes sa morning 7:15 to 7:35 na naman. At the evening 2 hours na ano ito on Shopee pa back na naman ha ho 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 ha ho ho. So will it be the same as last weekend? Today will be the 41st video came out on weekend. Possible because this is Saturday. Last month 3 Saturdays, no more like 36, 37, 38. Oh no wait. Yes, 36 video came out on Saturday, wala. 37, wala. 38, wala. 39, meron. 40, wala. 41st, sambot. So, we just have to wait naman until naman pa video came out on yan na